Chef Hui prepares for us braised eggplants, a delicious vegan dish. We dined at Hui Kitchen every day the week we were in Santiago, Spain. Chef Hui led us into his kitchen to watch him make this quick and delicious recipe. Welcome to another episode of Time for Change Kitchen. We're in Santiago de Compostela, and Hui Kitchen is going to do a video for us of how to make excellent, authentic Chinese food. It is very difficult to find vegetables on the Camino, and so this is one of the best restaurants we've found, and we are so looking forward to enjoying some of her excellent food, and her husband is going to cook it for us. C is her daughter. She's our translator. She's taking her English exam next week, and she's going to do very well because she speaks perfect English. Okay, without further ado, let's go into the kitchen and learn how to make this excellent food. For fresh ingredients, he has peeled fresh Asian eggplants, cut into 1.5-inch strips, about 3/8 of an inch thick. Because they have to cook quickly, they shouldn't be too thick. Also, they shouldn't be too thin because we don't want them to become mushy. We also have red and green bell peppers cut in 1/4-inch thick pieces, about 1/2 an inch wide. Finally, we have dried tree mushrooms that have been soaked to rehydrate. This gives an unexpected and delightful crunch to a dish largely comprised of soft vegetables. He also has fresh minced ginger root on hand.
And green onion?
He keeps his condiments and seasonings next to his stove so that he can easily reach them.
This is salt, this is sugar.
What is this? MSG. Okay, what is this? Is it soy sauce?
Soy sauce.
And what is this?
Rice wine.
Rice wine.
Yeah.
Okay, that's important.
And
And this is
this is the potato made.
Potato starch.
Yeah.
Okay,
To thicken the flavor.
Right. Yeah, and thicken it.
Yeah.
And this is
vinegar.
rice vinegar. This is soybean paste with a little spice in it.
Chef Hui has his ingredients organized and ready to be put into the pan. This is an important step because this dish cooks rather quickly and you won't have time to stop and search for or prep ingredients as you cook. Chef Hui begins by coating his wok with vegetable oil, discarding the excess oil as he heats his wok. He adds back a little oil to cook his vegetables. Hui works quickly with high heat. When his wok is hot, he adds the minced ginger. To that, he quickly adds the spicy bean paste, stirring constantly. Next, he adds about a cup of water, and he mixes the ingredients well. To this, in quick succession, he adds a little rice wine and soy sauce. Then he adds his fresh vegetables and seasonings, a little salt, sugar, MSG, and rice vinegar. The aroma of this dish is fantastic. What is especially wonderful about this dish is while the combinations of the flavors is splendid, you can savor the taste of each individual ingredient as it crosses your palate. Just a note about MSG. There are a lot of people who think that the flavor enhancer MSG is harmful and believe that it causes allergic reactions. This product has been studied for decades and there's no scientific data to suggest that that is true. In fact, the consensus is that MSG is totally harmless. If you don't want to add it to your dishes, then you can easily leave it out. That's entirely up to you. Notice that Chef Hui moves the vegetables around the wok, giving a few moments of rest in between to allow the eggplants to cook through. Finally, he adds a little potato starch mixed with water to thicken the sauce. Once the sauce has thickened to the desired consistency, which is about the consistency of a syrup, then it is time to transfer the vegetables to a plate. Serve with a generous portion of rice. I will be posting soon a version of this recipe that I have adapted to the restrictions of a home kitchen. I believe that I have faithfully reproduced it, and I look forward to sharing it with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I look forward to your questions and comments, and I make every attempt to answer them in a timely manner. Until next time, happy cooking.